Ladies and gentlemen, presenting Hamza. And in today's video, we are gluing something totally different. What are we doing, Hamza? Tell us.
A circuit.
We are going to use
Snap
this
circuit.
beautiful thing. I highly recommend this product right here, Snap Circuits. It's full of fun activities.
And you
with-
play music.
with even your own music and 175 exciting projects. We are really excited. And look inside. How cool is all of these things, isn't it, Hamza?
Yep.
And today, what are we building? Show us the schematic. Oh, are we going directly to project
big
9?
circuit.
We are going to be making a big circuit. And I'm not really sure
Like
exactly what it's going to
other
do, but it says the circuit does a lot of different things at once. Wow! Let's get to building it. We'll take out all the parts
We should
and
do
we'll
some
assemble.
other ones also.
Okay, definitely. I like it. So yeah, it's an MP3 player. There are light attachments. There are all these cool wires and plugs. And this guy over here, he seems really happy. His name is Mr. Circuit. All right, let's get to building. And now he's beginning the construction of the circuit diagram with all these interesting parts. We even have a speaker today. Look at this cool speaker. That's a speaker. There is a cool switch here. There is an infrared sensor, bruh. Where's the infrared sensor? There is the infrared sensor. Woo! And we have a motor going on. Look at how cool this motor is. And what else is interesting? A colorful diode. Yeah. And some cool wires for our crazy experiments. So we're building
There's
away.
something wrong.
Oh no, something wrong. Look at the schematic. You need a 2 to connect it over here to make it longer.
I did that.
Yeah. But then you need to put the infrared sensor first, isn't it? It's going to be difficult for you to connect like that. Do it, sir, do it. So building circuits is really fun because they've got numbers on it. See, number 4. So all you got to do is look for the number of whatever they tell you. This is 5 and that's 4. So that's how you join it all together.
Yeah.
So the child is able to learn better like this. So you need a 5 first. This is the circuit we've built so far. There, this is a number 5. Yes. Now I need you to build the circuit from here all the way down
Oh, what
towards
about
the end.
this?
That comes
Right.
later. That comes later.
You mean I have to?
Yep. All right. So Hamza is busy building his circuit. It's in full swing right now. Look at how much we have built. And guys, this is called a resistor. So what it does is it controls how much power is going into a particular component. Now he's going to attach it to this section over here.
Isn't it 100K?
See, it's 100K, right? It's 100K, 100 ohms. See, 100K ohms. So you see the sign, right? It means ohms,
But there's
not like
no
ohm. Okay, now connect it over here.
There's no ohms there.
Yeah. Oh, there's no ohms here. Okay, that's okay. That's what it means. There you
Let's
go.
see.
Wait, that's kind of weird. One has ohms, and the other doesn't. That's weird. This is, oh my God, I think we made a mistake here. This is R5. See, R5 is here, and R1 is here. We need to do some work. Take a look at the complexity of this. We're almost done, isn't it, Hamza? We've got the black wire, and I'm going to do the final connection right here, and you're going to connect this fella to that guy. Yes. Okay.
That's on it.
Wait. You haven't read the instructions. There's some more. There's an interesting thing called clear and black. Wonder what that is.
Do
Okay,
that.
guys, look at this. This is what we're supposed to connect. It's a really clear kind of thing. I wonder what it does. And we need to connect it to these little
We also
plastic
need
noobs.
these LED attachments.
LED attachments. Where do they go?
Look, 1, 2, 3.
Oh, yeah.
LED attachments.
But first, I think we need to do the clear thing first. I guess this must be like a fiber optic. This thing should light up. So let's do that first. Oh yeah, you did it. All right, perfect. Now we need to connect it to the lights. So you got to put the clear one. So use a clear and then plug it on top of this. That's not clear, man. This is clear. You're going to cause an electric compulsion. All right, and black is there. Yes. Right. Yep. Let's just make sure everything is nice and tight. Okay, so now this weird thing is just
I
kinda
think
like
it
dangle-
will turn grey because black and white equals red.
yeah, but there's lights underneath, so that can't be the case. Okay, guys, there's one more connection we need to make, which is we need to connect it to the MP3 player.
We have one.
Yeah, of course. You made a very complicated circuit.
Yes.
Can you explain to us what exactly it does?
So when you press as though this motor goes up.
Okay.
And when you press this, all of the lights and everything will just show up.
Okay,
So
so
there's basically two components, I guess.
yeah,
Like the buttons.
yeah.
So when you like turn it on, this happens.
Okay, so it's on right now. Okay, and then the fan is activated.
And then you can even
Right.
play music to this.
Okay, so I think that the music kind of like follows the music of the.
Of the
Alright, so let's play a bit of it, right? See? So I think. Oh, let me turn it on. Oh, play. Oh yeah, see that? And then you can adjust this. This is called a variable resistor. So you can see how fast it goes. If you take out the egg, you can see the light actually follows the music.
Yeah.
How is that? How is this? How is building this circuit? It does so many things, doesn't it? That's why it is so complicated. But I don't understand what was the purpose of this thing. I couldn't figure that out. Did you have fun building it?
Yes.
Alright, cool. Alright, say, I really had fun building it, and it's so many interesting components going on.
Also, when you so now you cannot turn this on, but when you on this, then it can happen.
Oh, I see. Okay, okay. Makes sense. Makes sense. Alright, that's all for today. Okay, guys, we had a bit of a circuitry problem here going on. I think this wasn't lighting up. So you can do lots of things with this. Hamza is going to show you how you can actually add a color fan to it. Where's that? Ah, there it is. So you can take this device here, okay, and then you can put this one over here like that. And that kind of looks kind of cool. And this,
Oh, even you can do this.
and then of course you can add another attachment over here. What attachment would you like to add over there? I think you can add this one, like this one over here. And it's like a white LED. Or you know what you should do? You should turn off all the lights and see how it looks like in the dark. So this is what it looks like. It looks super
And check
cool
this
now.
out. Even
Everything
though
is
the
just
light-
like,
Check this out.
yeah.
So even though I'm putting this away, you can actually still see like small bits.
Yeah, correct. This is a fiber optic cable. See, and then there is this
But
egg.
this
And if you
one's
take out the
actually
egg, it
more.
becomes even more brighter. So let's put back the egg. And yeah, so and it kind of like everything lights up. And plus, you've got a fan to play with. So overall,
I think I
a
should turn on
pretty
the lights
yeah,
first because,
sure, definitely.
it's not really
Right. So the current setup. Do you like the current setup? You can modify it. You can put this wire as well, fiber optic cable, or you can do like whatever. And it's such a cool.
Oh,
Whoa!
you have to take a video.
It's such a
Hey,
cool.
What's this? Other
Cool
side?
set over here. All right.
what's that?
Yeah. So now we're going to say bye bye.